good students, welcome to the teaching media and ICT literacy. Today we are going to discuss about the one kind of the application. The name is Barcode. There are two activities for today. The first one, how to construct the test item and change into the barcode. And the second one, how to scan the barcode and student can see your test item. Good luck! The first, please come to the website www.theqrcodegenerator.com. So this is the static QR code. The first, to make quiz, please prepare your quiz multiple choice, one test item, for example, with 4 options. Just copy from your Word, then you can paste in here, enter the text to share here. Just copy paste this one. For example, this is the quiz, and then you can save. Okay, you can save by PNG, SVG or EPS. Let's scan, but let's save by PNG. And then what's your file name? Quiz, save. Okay, and then save. Okay, please check in your laptop. To see your barcode test item, please make sure your student has already for the QR and barcode reader or scanner, or student can install in Play Store by find out QR and barcode reader or scanner. This is one kind of the barcode scanner, and then choose one, which one to be installed in student's handphone. This is the barcode result from our test item. Let's check by scanner. The next, please share screen your barcode, and then please ask the student to open the QR and barcode, and then please try to scan. Okay, this is the test item, and then please ask student to answer this question. Thank you very much for your hard effort to practice how to use barcode for teaching instruction, especially for making test item and share to your student. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.